The S&P 500 daily patterns chart shows that I made one last purple dashed perfect uptrend line here from this perfect uptrend channel here, and possibly this one, although it's going off into oblivion, so for sure this one here. And there was an up day down close candle printed here, this hollow bodied red candle, and you can see that they happen on large downdrafts near the end where there's a gap down in the morning and then price gets pushed back up but closes below the close of the previous bar, and that's a bullish candle here. And you can see there was a couple here that indicated the end of this pretty good downdraft here from February into March, the banking crisis era there. And zooming in a bit, you can see there's pretty good support for this red hollow bodied candle here. So we have the top of the broadening pattern here at 43.59, and right around there is the rung here of the pitchfork. So that's pitchfork number 2, I believe, and that's around the same area, 43.59. And then underneath there is a horizontal line going back to 07, 20, 21 at 43.25.28. And as we've seen in the S&P 500 daily chart from the mark, the daily arc 0.382 is at 43.34.42. And from that same chart where the arc pattern is at, we know that to the upside, the baseline 26 bars back is around 43.97, and then the top of the cloud for current price is around 44.28, and we have the 44.09.79 horizontal line here. And we haven't looked at it for a while, but the weekly channel 3 low is around there too, 4407.43, R2 4408.79, and R1 at 4389.25. So this area right here could be some free movement for price for a couple days, maybe a few days. And then I still am thinking about coming back down to this zone, 42.30, that Fibonacci retracement, 42.43.12, maybe down here to where the top of the super bullish wedge and horizontal support from 05.10.21 is at, where Powell made his first mistake back in 2021. So we'll just have to see. It's been quite the downdraft, and it's completely oversold pretty bad. But definitely, I think coming up, we're going to revisit this area. So don't get too excited on some up moves unless it can break above the top of the cloud at 44.28.96. Then it has a chance for some more upside. And even then, looking at these perfect uptrend channels in dotted purple here, so there's the top of the cloud. Around that area is a perfect uptrend channel lower line here that I drew, and then there's one right above it. But still, getting above the cloud would be quite symbolic, and if it can make it past that first perfect uptrend channel line there, that's at 44.34.42 for Monday. If it can make it above that in the cloud, then Maybe it can get stuck in this channel and just follow it up. Some resistance at the other pitchfork line here.